If you are broke right now, watch this carefully. This might be the message you've been avoiding your whole life. You are not broke. You are distracted. Every single day, you wake up with potential. But instead of building your future, you scroll. You spend hours on your phone, watching other people succeed, laughing, living better lives. But what are you building? Nothing. You say you want money. You say you want a better life. You even pray for it. But when it's time to work, when it's time to learn, when it's time to sacrifice, you disappear. Distraction is silently destroying your life. Not poverty, not lack of opportunity, but distraction. Listen, your phone is not your enemy. Your habits are. That same phone you are using to scroll can make you money. That same internet can teach you a skill. That same time you are wasting can build your future. Start small. Learn something. Try something. Build something. Even Joseph, in one of the worst situations of his life, in prison, he didn't waste time. He used his gift. And that gift is what took him from prison to purpose. Right now, your life may not look like what you want. You may feel stuck, tired, even frustrated. But the truth is this: your life is not over. Your opportunity is not gone. You just need to wake up. You just need to take control. You just need to focus. Because one decision, one habit change, one action can completely change your life. If you are serious about changing your life, not tomorrow, but starting today, then this channel is for you. Follow Rise Again TV and let's build your future together.